Psalm 51, a heartfelt cry for mercy, cleansing, restoration, and transformation. Have you ever made a mistake so deep that it broke your own heart? Have you ever felt like you drifted so far from God that you didn't know how to return? Psalm 51 is a cry from such a place. A raw, honest plea from a man who failed, yet found mercy. Today, let these words become your own as we walk through this powerful prayer of repentance and restoration. Verses 1-2, mercy first. Have mercy upon me, O God, according to your loving kindness. According to the multitude of your tender mercies, blot out my transgressions. Wash me thoroughly from my iniquity and cleanse me from my sin. Have you cried out for mercy lately? Not because you're perfect, but because you know you need him. David doesn't try to justify himself. He doesn't hide. He runs straight to God's heart, pleading not based on his goodness, but God's goodness. He says, Lord, blot it out. Wash me, cleanse me. Take a moment to pray. God, I don't deserve your mercy, but you give it anyway. Not because of who I am, but because of who you are. Wash me, Lord. Wash the deepest places in me. Cleanse the parts I keep hidden, and make me whole. Affirm yourself. God's mercy is bigger than my mistakes. I am washed. I am made new. Verses 3-6, honest confession. For I acknowledge my transgressions, and my sin is always before me. Behold, you desire truth in the inward parts. What are you hiding in your heart? What truth is God inviting you to speak, even if it hurts? David owns up. He doesn't shift blame. He says, I did it. I know it. I need you. And God says, I want truth in the hidden places. Because he doesn't heal what we pretend isn't broken. Take a moment to pray. Lord, I confess, not just what others can see, but the sins that play silently in my thoughts. The pride, the anger, the fear. Help me bring it all to you and walk in honesty. Affirm yourself. I am honest before God. I am seen and still loved. Verses 7-9. Deeper cleansing, purge me with hyssop, and I shall be clean. Wash me, and I shall be whiter than snow. Do you believe that even your darkest moments can be made clean? Hyssop was used to apply blood for cleansing in Old Testament rituals. David's saying, God, do the deepest clean, the kind only you can do. Not just outside, but inside. Take a moment to pray. Cleanse me, Lord. Not just behavior, but my heart. Not just actions, but motives. Make me whiter than snow, a blank slate, a fresh start. Affirm yourself. I am not who I was. I am washed. I am whole. Verses 10-12. Create again. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me. Have you ever wished you could start over? From the inside, David doesn't just ask for cleansing. He asks for transformation. Create means form something new that didn't exist before. He wants more than forgiveness. He wants a new heart. Take a moment to pray. Lord, don't just clean me, change me. Give me a new heart, one that loves you. Renew my spirit. Steady me when I want to quit. Restore the joy I lost along the way. Affirm yourself. My heart is made new. My joy is returning. My spirit is strong. Verses 13 to 15. From pain to purpose. Then I will teach transgressors your ways, and sinners shall be converted to you. What if your worst mistake becomes someone else's path to God? David's restoration wasn't just for him, it was for others too. God turns your story into a testimony. Your healing becomes someone else's hope. Take a moment to pray. God, use me. Use even my failures to bring others to your light. Let my life speak of your grace and redemption. Affirm yourself. My pain has purpose. My scars tell stories of grace. Verses 16 to 17, what God really wants. You do not desire sacrifice. The sacrifices of God are a broken spirit, a broken and contrite heart. These you will not despise. Are you trying to impress God when all he really wants is your heart? God doesn't want performance. He wants surrender, not a show, but your soul. A humble, broken heart. That's what draws him near. Take a moment to pray. God, here I am. Not perfect, not polished, but real. Broken, yet open. I know you won't turn me away. Affirm yourself. God draws close to my broken heart. He receives me as I am. Verses 18 to 19. Rebuild what's broken. Do good in your good pleasure to Zion. Build the walls of Jerusalem. What areas of your life do you need God to rebuild? David's prayer ends with hope, not just for himself, but for his city. When we're restored, our world is impacted. What God does in you will overflow around you. Take a moment to pray. Rebuild my life, Lord. Rebuild my family. Rebuild what I've broken and make it better than before. Affirm yourself. God is rebuilding my ruins. Restoration is on the way. Psalm 51 isn't just David's story. It's ours. We fall. We break. But God, in his mercy, lifts us again. Let this be your prayer today. Not just for forgiveness, but for transformation. Not just to forget the past, but to walk boldly into your restored future. Would you like me to pray with you? Would you like to leave a prayer request below? Remember, you are not too far gone. You are not too broken. You are loved. You are being restored. I hope this message has blessed you, and if indeed it did, do not forget to subscribe and turn on notification for more of this soon as it drops. Also, do not forget to like and share so we can together reach those who need to hear this. God bless you as I look forward to seeing you in our next video.